Good morning, students. Come to the next NEET series, question number 11, 2018. How long approximately should water be electrolyzed by passing through 100 ampere current so that the oxygen released can completely burn 27.66 grams of diborane? Atomic weight of boron is 10.8 units. So 1.6 hours, 6.4 hours, 8 hours, and 3.2 hours. So anode and cathode. Anode oxide 2H2O gives 4H plus O2 plus 4 electron is oxidation, and cathode H2O gains 2 electron gives H2 plus 2OH minus. Here 4 electron in oxidation reaction. So in order to get the same 4 electron, multiply the whole equation by 2. And here B2H6 burn with oxygen gives B2O3 plus H2O. So after balancing here 1 B2H6 and 3 O2. Because here it is a 3 plus 3, 6. Here only 2. So when you put a 3 here, you will get a 6, 3 oxygen. So weight, number of moles is equal to weight by molecular weight. Weight is 27.66 gram and molecular weight of B2H6 diborane. B2H6 is a diborane. 2 boron, and for 1 boron atomic mass is given in the question 10.8. Hydrogen we know 1. After multiplying all these values and multiplying these values 21.6, 6 into 1, 6. By adding this 27.6. So number of moles is equal to 1 because both are 27.6. 27.6 is equal to 1. Number of moles oxygen required in equation is 3. So n number of moles is equal to 3. Number of, factors of electron is nothing but 4. And here current is equal to 100 ampere and time is equal to 1. So time only they asked. N is equal to IT by NF into 96,500. T is equal to N into NF into 96,500 by I. So here 3 into 4. 3 is the number of moles. NF is the factor of number of electrons involved in the reaction is 4. 96,400, so 500 coulombs, and current is 1 hour they have given. So current is 500 ampere is given. So this we'll get it in a seconds, make into hour, 60 into 60, we are getting 3.2 hours. NF, here you see 4 electrons. And here this 2 electron multiplied to 4 electrons. Number of moles is equal to 1. And this, because of this, the required number of moles of oxygen is 3. This is so that the oxygen required can completely. So number of oxygen required in 1 mole of diborane is equal to 3. So 3.2 hours. (60 into 60), why we are putting means to make into the hours. Next question, 1999. The gas X at 1 atmospheric pressure is bubbled through solution containing a mixture of 1m Y and 1m Z at 25 degrees Celsius. If the order of the reduction potential is Z is greater than Y is greater than Z, then Y will oxidize X and not Z. Y will oxidize Z and not X. Y will oxidize both X and Z. Y will reduce both X and Z. The higher the value of the reduction potential is called the oxidizing agent. So here Z is IO and Y is less than Z, but Y is greater than X. So whichever having the higher oxidation potential will oxidize, will be oxidized. So Y can oxidize X, but Y cannot oxidize the Z because Z is higher reduction potential. Z can oxidize Y and X, but Y can oxidize X because Y reduction potential is greater than X, but it is less than Z. So only when the higher reduction potential can oxidize. So Z can oxidize Y and X. It is not at all given as a Z first answer. So, but it is based on Y only. So Y can oxidize X, but Y cannot oxidize the Z. That option is not here. So what Y will oxidize X, not a Z. The first answer is the correct answer. Y will oxidize X and not a Z because Y reduction potential is lesser than Z. So it cannot oxidize the Z. But Y is a higher oxidation potential, reduction potential than the X. So it can oxidize. So Y can oxidize, but Y cannot oxidize. First option is the correct answer. Galvanization is applying the coating of zinc. Galvanization, we all know zinc is a sacrificial metal in the periodic table. Only this metal is a sacrificial metal, means gone it produces the electrons. Just like nuns in the convent. The sisters are working in the convent. They will be sacrificing their life to the students and the society. So what they will work together and they're giving their time and money and everything to the society of the people. So what zinc is, like zinc sisters, we just remember the sisters, the nuns are present in the convent, they are sacrificial in the world. So like that, zinc is the sacrificial metal in the periodic table. So zinc metal is the most stable metal and can give electrons. So metals are cover ions on the surface. The process of coating the ion surface of the zinc is called galvanization, because whenever the metal ion is present outside, kept outside during the oxidation summer and the winter season, they lose their electrons. When they lose the electron, they will become rust. So what they will connect the zinc rod to the iron over the pious person. Any pious person will be sacrificed their own life to the society. So what, like a zinc also sacrifices. Whenever the iron and the zinc is connected together, when the iron loses its electron, zinc will produce the electrons to the ion. So what it is called as galvanization. So what rusting can be avoided in the ion by connecting, when iron rod is mounted on the surface, it is like the zinc rod is buried in the ground with the connection of ion. Whenever it loses electron, the zinc ion will gives the electron. How much of the ion loses, that much of electrons will be given by the zinc. That is called galvanization of applying coating on the zinc. Electric charge for electrode deposition of 1 gram equivalent of substance is MgSO4. The electric charge for electrode deposition of 1 gram equivalent of substance is MgSO4. So here, let us find out the answer. W is equal to Z into Q. Z is called electrochemical equivalent. Q is the charge of the electron. Charge of the current MgSO4 gives Mg2 plus SO4 2 minus. Mg2 plus and gives Mg. So here magnesium sulfate and here gaining 2 electron becomes Mg. So 2 moles of electron gives 1 mole of magnesium. Means 1 mole of electron is too much of cross multiplication. 1 into 1 divided by 2. 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5, or we can keep it as a 1 by 2. So gram equivalent is equal to N into NF. NF is nothing but number of electrons involved here. So 1 by 2 into 2 get cancelled is equal to 1. So 1 mole of electron is just nothing but 1 gram equivalent of magnesium. So charge of 1 mole of electron. The standard reduction potential value of 3 metallic cations X, Y, Z are 0.52 and minus 3.03 and minus 1.18 voltage respectively. The order of reduction power of corresponding metal is X. Here Y is greater than Z is greater than X. and different values they have given. Reducing power, reducing agent undergoes self-oxidation. So reduction potential is low. So Y has a very low value, minus 0.03. Here it is minus 0.03. This is X value is plus, Y value is minus, and Z value is minus. But here Y is very, very low value. So what are the E naught? The lower value of E naught is a stronger reducing agent. So Y is equal to E naught minus 0.03 voltage is greater than Z value. Minus 1.18 value is greater than 0.52. Thanks for watching, students.